Early this summer, I planted 4 boxwoods. Now 2 of them have brown leaves at the top of the plant. Some leaves underneath the plant remain stable. How can I stop my boxwood from turning brown? Thank you, and this is Polly. So boxwood's turning brown.
Yeah.
Up top.
Just planted them. It appears to me to be an environmental problem, either with even moisture, soil moisture,
Yeah.
or maybe too much soil moisture. It's something to do with the environment that it's in. You got to watch, because too little and too much water will do the same things.
Yeah.
And so, and you can cut off the dead.
That's what I would do.
I would just cut off the dead and just see how it does this thing. Because it was a very warm summer all across the country. So it may have just be stressed from the environment.
Right. Yeah, boxwood do not like wet feet. Okay. And then secondly, just thought of this, make sure you're not planting too deep.
That's true.
Right? Because you're choking those roots out.
Yeah,
okay?
because now the soil level of the container should have been the soil level that they are in right now.
Right.
So if you put dirt up over the top, maybe you should go back and try to move that away, because they don't like to be buried. They have to be able to breathe, the roots.
Yeah, it's best to plant high, you know, because the ground settles over time. Yeah, mulch to help regulate soil moisture. But yeah, I'm with you. I'm thinking it might be environmental stresses, but I would just prune out the dead, just see what happens.
Sure.
Yeah, let's see what happens. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.